you're running through eastern Oregon, on I-84, you've probably seen this stop, but is it actually a good place to park, refuel, and reset? Today we're pulling into Love's in Boardman to check the parking, amenities, and overall driver experience. Let's take a look. Boardman is a key corridor for freight moving between the Pacific Northwest and inland routes. This Love's sits right off the interstate, making it an easy on and off, something drivers appreciate when they're tight on hours. First impression. The lot is busy but organized, and signage is clear, which makes navigating easier even during peak times. The fuel islands here are set up for efficiency. You'll find high-flow diesel pumps, DEF at the pump, windshield cleaning stations, plenty of space to pull forward. Traffic flow is generally smooth, but like most Love's locations, it can get crowded in the evening rush. Parking is always the big question. This location offers a decent number of truck spaces, but timing matters. Late evening arrivals may need patience. The layout is straightforward, with room to maneuver, which is especially helpful if you're tired after a long shift. Heading inside, you'll find the familiar Love's layout that most drivers know well. There's a wide selection of snacks, drinks, and grab-and-go items, plus hot food options if you're looking for something quick without leaving the property. You'll also see driver essentials like gloves, tools, electronics, and basic truck supplies, convenient if you need something in a pinch. The store feels busy but organized, and checkout lines usually move at a reasonable pace thanks to multiple registers. Clean showers can make or break a stop, especially after a long shift. At this location, showers are typically well maintained, with staff cycling through regularly to keep them clean. Wait times depend on how busy it is, but turnover is generally steady. Restrooms are spacious and kept in good condition, which is always appreciated when you're on the road for days at a time. It's the kind of setup that helps you reset before getting back behind the wheel. One of the things that really stands out at this stop is the convenience of having repair and maintenance support right on site. When you're running long distances, small mechanical issues can turn into big delays if you don't catch them early, so having a service option here is a huge plus. The workshop area is designed to handle common road issues that drivers face every day. Whether it's checking tires, dealing with air leaks, or getting a quick inspection, it's reassuring to know you don't always have to leave the highway corridor to find help. For owner-operators especially, time is money. Even a short delay can throw off your delivery window, your logbook planning, or your next pickup. Being able to pull into a stop like this, talk to service staff, and get a quick assessment can help you make better decisions, whether to fix it right away or safely continue to your destination. Another benefit is the preventative side of things. Many drivers use stops like this not just when something breaks, but to stay ahead of problems. A quick walk around, checking tire wear, listening for unusual sounds, and knowing there's support nearby if needed, adds a layer of confidence before heading back onto the interstate. It also helps reduce stress. Anyone who's driven long haul knows that unexpected mechanical issues are part of the job. When you stop somewhere that's set up to support drivers, it changes the whole experience. Instead of worrying about, what if something goes wrong, you can focus on resting, planning your route, or grabbing a meal. From a safety perspective, this matters too. Well-maintained equipment keeps not only the driver safe, but everyone else on the road. Having accessible service options encourages drivers to address small issues before they become serious. And beyond the technical side, it's really about peace of mind. Trucking is unpredictable, weather, traffic, schedules, so any stop that makes the journey a bit smoother earns extra points in my book. Knowing you've got fuel, parking, food, and mechanical support all in one place makes this a practical stop whether you're just passing through or planning a longer break. Overall, the repair support here adds real value to the stop. It turns it from just a place to refuel into a place where drivers can regroup, reset, and keep rolling with confidence. When it comes to food, you'll find the usual truck stop lineup, hot items, quick snacks, and plenty of drink choices. It's not a destination dining experience, but it's reliable and convenient, which is exactly what many drivers want when they're watching the clock. There's enough seating to take a short break, stretch your legs, and recharge before heading back out. While this stop is clearly designed with truckers in mind, it's also very convenient for drivers of regular vehicles. The car parking area is separate from the truck lot, which makes getting in and out much easier and safer, especially during busy hours. For road trippers, families, or anyone just passing through, that separation makes a big difference. You don't have to navigate around large rigs or tight, turning areas, and the flow of traffic feels much more relaxed. It's a quick in and out experience, if you're just stopping for fuel or a short break. The car fuel islands are set up for efficiency, with multiple pumps so wait times are usually reasonable even during peak travel periods. Whether you're topping up for a long stretch of highway or just grabbing enough to reach your next stop, it's straightforward and easy to access right off the main route. Another nice touch is how close everything is. After fueling, it's just a short walk to the store, restrooms, and food options, which is exactly what you want on a road trip. Quick stop, quick reset, and back on the road without losing much time. For anyone traveling long distances by car, stops like this are helpful because they combine the reliability of a major travel center with the convenience of a regular gas station. Clean facilities, good lighting, and plenty of space make it feel comfortable whether you're stopping during the day or late at night. Overall, even though it's a major truck stop, it works just as well for everyday drivers. It's one of those places where everyone on the road, truckers, RV travelers, and families, can refuel, take a break, and continue their journey with minimal hassle. For anyone traveling long distances by car, stops like this are helpful because they combine the reliability of a major travel center with the convenience of a regular gas station. Clean facilities, good lighting, and plenty of space make it feel comfortable whether you're stopping during the day or late at night. Overall, even though it's a major truck stop, it works just as well for everyday drivers. It's one of those places where everyone on the road, truckers, RV travelers, and families, can refuel, take a break, and continue their journey with minimal hassle. So if you're running I-84 through Oregon, Love's and Boardman is a practical place to refuel, reset, and grab what you need before the next stretch of road. If you've stopped here before, share your experience in the comments. Your tips help other drivers plan smarter. And if you enjoy real truck stop reviews across the US and Canada, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Olinsi Traveling for more on the road insights. Safe travels, keep the wheels turning, and I'll see you in the next video.